Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 3 plus x lnx. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we need to do first derivative of this one. So we do first derivative of x multiplied by lnx. We do first derivative of lnx multiplied by x. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over x. So s divided by s, we have number 1. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.